I'm trying to change things up for the new year, so I got myself a folding treadmill. Ta-da! And the goal is to be able to fit the treadmill underneath my leather sofa. So hopefully it will fit, and I hope you like this video. Okay, that was a little bit heavy for me. I should mention that the treadmill is about 75 pounds, so my doorman had to help me carry it in the apartment. In addition to the treadmill, I also got this mat here. It's about $20, and it's just gonna go underneath the treadmill so I don't destroy my floor. The treadmill comes with this box of goodies here. In it, you will find these handlebars, but I read in the review that if you use the handlebars, you're not gonna be able to collapse down the treadmills, so I'm probably not going to install the handlebars. And then you have a placeholder for your iPhone, a bag of tools and screws, a safety belt, 2 bottles of lubricant oil, a power cord, a remote control, and an instruction manual. Okay, so let's get this thing working now. And it is about 40 inches long, so 16 by 40. The running belt itself looks like it's made from quality material, but I'll let you know how it holds up. It looks like there's a speaker at the front of the treadmill as well. If you want to play music through your treadmill, you can do that as well. In the next step, you put the safety lock in place, and this is magnetic, so it's easy. That's it. Okay, in the next step, you just attach this foam bracket in place right here, and it comes with 2 screws, so let me screw that in right now. I lost patience, I'm going to use my power drill instead. Alright, so it looks like the max load for the treadmill is 265 pounds. The speed limit is 1 kilometer to 12 kilometer. So 1 kilometer is equivalent to 0.6 miles and 12 kilometer is 7.5 miles. I had to look that up. So you can go from 0.6 miles to 7.5 miles on this treadmill. Everything on this treadmill has to be powered by the remote. Seems like it's pretty quiet. So let's try to speed this up and see what it does. Keep in mind that this is in kilometers. Alright, so I think I do like it. The one thing you want to keep in mind is that everything is controlled with the remote, so it's something to get used to. In addition to that, I'm only 5'3", so this treadmill works for me. But if you're taller than 5'3", just use my stride as a benchmark and see if it will work for you or not. Just one more thing to think about. What a bummer. This treadmill is not going to fit underneath my sofa after all. My sofa has about a 5-inch clearance, and you really need 7 inches in order for it to fit. So I think I'm going to have this treadmill underneath my bed instead, which I wasn't planning to do. I hope this has been helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I can do an update video in a few months and let you know how I like it. Thank you very much for watching until the end. Bye now.